Hey, it's Todd, Ault, and these are Wall Street words. Today's word is current liability. Now, this is an important term if you run a company. I've run many of them. And when you have a current liability, that's a bill or something, an obligation due within the year. Now, Wall Street pays special attention to current liabilities because they can be a boogeyman out there. If you have a lot of current liabilities coming up, the asbestos companies that were in using asbestos had massive amounts of current liabilities, and some of them had to go bankrupt in order to move those current liabilities to future liabilities to get the company's balance sheet in check. If someone's current liabilities, a company's current liabilities, are out of check, it can be a danger or a warning sign. Today's word is current liability. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.